Hello, this is a quick orientation video as part of the IMA Basic Training course, helping you prepare for the upcoming IMA Regional Workshop. How to cite data and species information when proposing important marine mammal areas. The Marine Mammal Protected Areas Task Force is defined in IMA as a discrete portion of habitat, important for one or more marine mammal species that has the potential to be delineated and managed for conservation. As you can see, it's an important aspect of the process that any information used when proposing an area as a candidate must be robust, and the origin of the evidence used to propose it is traceable to the Secretariat and any reviewers. So here again is a diagram of the three-stage process used by the task force, which is needed to ensure a standardized identification of IMAs within a global network of sites. It is during these two transition phases, the drafting of proposals during an expert workshop, as well as the peer review and correction phase, when the loosely collated information around areas of interest must be focused and drafted into more robust candidate IMA proposals. Here you can see an example of the types of forms which are provided to participants. This being an example of a typical length of a proposal that's been submitted in the past. All participants to an IMA workshop are provided guidance on cited reference formats to be used for the IMA proposals they make, including examples for the most common types of cited references using the Harvard system, as well as a complete list included within the IUCN's in-house style manual. This includes how to appropriately reference information from books, book chapters, printed peer review articles, and online publications. The guidance also describes suitable conventions for citing unpublished data or that which is forthcoming in soon-to-be published works, which are acceptable for use when proposing important marine mammal areas and their candidate proposals. This includes that information that may still be in press, is forthcoming, or remains unpublished. When any authors of proposals wish to indicate the species of marine mammals they are referring to, they must use accepted common names, species, or subspecies Latin names listed by the Society for Marine Mammalogy and its Committee on Taxonomy. The links for this page are displayed here and also provided to workshop participants. Please also note that many participants, task force members, and advisors to the workshop organizers may be part of the continual assessment process on species taxonomy, and as such may be able to provide help and information when needed. So, in summary, IMAs are assessed as being of high conservation value to the survival of marine mammal species, and the loss of this habitat would negatively impact upon this. These areas must be clearly drawn on a map with a defensible boundary that could be implemented into action using legal or other voluntary means. Candidate IMAs are assessed by a representative group of regional experts as meeting the IMA identification criteria based on best available knowledge. Guidance is provided on standard cited reference formats for IMA submissions based on the IUCN in-house style manual, and candidate IMAs must use accepted common names, species, or subspecies Latin names listed by the Society for Marine Mammalogy and its Committee on Taxonomy. Thank you for watching this part of the basic IMA training course to help prepare you for the upcoming Regional Expert Workshop. Please watch the other parts of this basic training course series to learn more about the IMA program and the aims of the workshop.